FOREX analysis. So first of all, we will analyze the DXY. So DXY, what we can see here is that it is continuously falling on the weekly, daily, 4 hour. It is continuously falling, making a lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. So we don't know when until it's going to fall, because some red cuts will happen. Then we can see some trend change in maybe in the dollar. Otherwise, dollar is getting down and down and down. Okay, so we will move to our setups like CAT JPY. So we are planning for a buy side trade after this left head right shoulder pattern, left head right shoulder, but this pattern has been distorted, like you can see, like left head and the right shoulder, and then it distorted the pattern, like the pattern has been distorted. Okay, so what we can see here is that on the daily time frame, if we can see, if this candle closes below this body structure, the daily will turn bearish. Okay, and the 4 hour has already been bearish, so our two time frames will be in sync. Okay, so we will plan for a sell side when the market will come at this area of interest. Okay, so we are seeing this. Also, it will retest the EMA, retest the round psychological number 105.500, and so on that. Also on the daily time frame, we can see that there is a formation of left hand and the right shoulder pattern. So this is a good sell side trade, we can see. Then we will move to the GBP NJD. GBP NJD, in which we can see that it's a quite contracted, we can say like that, because in the weekly time frame it's forming a bearish. On the daily time frame, it is technically bearish because this is in higher high and this is in high low, so it's in bearish. Okay. Also in the 4 hour time frame, it's a turn bearish by breaking this high and low structure. Um, but yeah, we are waiting for any sort of good confirmation, like this head and shoulder pattern right over here on the 30-minute time frame, left hand and the right shoulder pattern, break it single finger neckline. Then we can plan for some sort of buy trade. It's quite risky trade. Let us see what happens. Then you have the GBP USD. We are waiting for it to come to our zone. Maybe it is a good setup for the next week, like that. You can see. In the GBP AUD, what we can see is that we are planning for a sell side trade right over here. Like on the weekly, it's bullish. On the daily, it's down bearish. On the 4 hour time frame, it is still bullish. Like this is the high, this is the high low. So it is also quite high risk trade. So let us see what happens. In Euro NZD, we are waiting for it to come to our area of interest right here. In the Euro CAD also, in the Euro AUD also, in the odd AUD USD also. This was a mixed trade. Okay, this was a quite good trade. Like we are supposed to get enter right over here just before the New York session, because that was a beautiful head and shoulder pattern. Left hand right shoulder neckline break, takes the liquidity whose stop loss was below the right shoulder, and then movement to the upside. Like the same kind of thing happened in also. Uh, you can see the GBP carry. Yeah, this trade also missed. I even like that when we are here right over here. When I was saying that when we form a reversal pattern, we will go for upside. But I don't know what happened here is that in my mind, yeah, like I fucked up, bro. I really fucked up, man. Like if you're releasing like that, this is forming a bro. Like you can set up the like left head and a right shoulder and broken the neckline, retest and bullish engulfing, bro. You are supposed to enter right over here. Okay, suppose you don't enter right over here. On the retest and this body candle is this engulfing, right? You are supposed to enter here. You have to fuck up these things, right? You are supposed to enter here. Okay, so if you are thinking that it's a risky trade, so you can enter 50% here and 50% of the retest of the put stop below this side. So okay. So this was also a good trade, but it missed by me. But I don't know, yaar, what the fuck happening in my mind here. I had to really get away from it. Yeah. So really see, you can't ignore this problem. Fuck man. So thank you. Let us see for tomorrow.